So as my workstation get more complicated, I need more complicated tech to fit my needs. Here in my studio, I call it my command center. I run multiple monitors. Right now I got 3 monitors right here, right? So it would be nice to get a one-stop shop, a one-stop hub to help me out of. That's called the H1, a joint venture product between Kwumsy and Compatibilities that may have solved my problem. So this hub right here, this hub will make my life a whole lot easier, especially with all this tech I got. Hub right here, this made my life easier. But before I give my thoughts about it, let's talk about what you get in the box. So looking at the box is a nice picture of the hub in a rose gold color. So opening up the box, you're greeted to the hub itself. In the user manual, you get a USB Type-C cord, a USB Type-C to A cord. So this monitor right here comes complete and ready to go. Now, as we look at this hub, let's talk about some of the specs. The Compatibilities is an aluminum alloy hub that has a titanium space gray color that has 3 HDMI ports on it that support up to 1080p 60 Hertz. Now also it has 3 USB 3.0 ports and a TF card reader. Yes, it have a card reader on here. It also have PD power that supports up to 60 watts. Not only that, but it has an RGB cooling fan. That's what I'm talking about, RGB cooling fan. Also on the side of this hub, it has vents to exhaust the heat. This hub is compatible. Now, as far as Mac OS, I had to install some drivers that came pre-installed on the hub. So when I plugged this up, I had got a notification to install some macOS drivers, which I did. Next is the build quality. The build quality here is excellent. I mean, with the RGB lights that change colors, it gives it a nice complement to your setup. So that is good. The build quality, RGB lights, the fan, everything looks good.